So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I again unbox a very popular product. So actually today I unbox is Sony external hard disk, and the size is 1 TB, and this is a compact Sony model. Actually this is a very slim hard disk, and from this box you can see this is a Flipkart. So actually I buy it from Flipkart. So actually the packaging of the Flipkart is very good because the external hard disk weight is very less. So but because of them they providing this type of very good packages. So okay, so as you can see that, so this is the bill. So okay, so this is the bill. Okay, so it comes from eCard Logistics. So actually the price of this hard disk is 4,000. Actual price is MRP is 8,000 rupees, but I get a special deal on Flipkart, and the price is 4,099. I actually I did not pay the price of this hard disk because I buy it in Flipkart Pay Later. So friends, I suggest you can also try the Flipkart Pay Later service, where you don't have to give the money in like cash on delivery and debit card. You have to transfer the money first to the Flipkart, and after that they give the product. But in Pay Later they send the product first, and then you give money within 1 month. So okay, so no more talk, let's see the hard disk. Okay, so as you can see that this is a fully sealed product. Okay, this is a fully sealed product. First time I unbox in my channel. So okay, so this is my very popular scissor because most of my product I unbox with this scissor. So okay, so let's so okay, so now from this side, so okay, this is the box. Let's come out this. So as you can see that they also sent, this is my name, Merun Mighty. Okay, so as you can see that this is the total. You can also pause the video and see my details here, and as you can see that total GST and total is 4,099. Okay, so okay, this is the box. It's from Flipkart. So they also provided bubble wrap. So just removing the bubble wrap. So and as you can see that this is the model. Whoa, what a model friend, what a model. Actually the Sony hard disk looking stunning on my hand. So as you can see that, so it comes with 3 years warranty. So okay, and the model is okay. So let's unpack this. So as you can see that you have to come out from this box. So this is the warranty card. Okay, so this is the Sony warranty card, and the model number is HDSL1. Okay, and 3 years from the purchase date. That means it says 3 years warranty, and it is only applicable in India. So okay, so when you purchase this kind of Sony product from online, I suggest you to always always keep this product in your almirah, because if this warranty card is stolen or forgotten, then you might be facing problem on regarding the warranty. So always keep this product in a highly secure area, when later then you can access this type of warranty card. So okay, so this is the Sony external 1 TB hard disk. So friends, you have to cut it from because it is a sealed product, you have to cut it from here. Okay, so friends, you have to cut the seal from here, and after that remove it from here. Okay, then you can see the hard disk. Okay, so as you can see that this is the total user's manual of this. You can also pause it. As you can see, there's 3 years limited warranty. You can also pause this video here and see all the specification. It support operating system, Mac, file system, NTFS, USB 3.1. okay, so all other settings are content are here. So okay, you can pause this video. So okay, so this is also some paperwork. This is some paperwork. So actually in Sony's previous hard disks, the warranty is most probably 5 years, but they reducing the warranty time. Now they give 3 years warranty. So okay, so most probably this is the hard disk. So actually friends, this is the hard disk of Sony external 1 TB. So okay friends, this is the hard disk of Sony, compact, slim. So as it's written here, so this is the HDSL1 compact slim. You can also use this hard disk cell on your PC, PlayStation 3. okay, so anything. So okay, so this is the Sony 1 TB hard disk. And another thing is this, the cable of this they provided with this package is very much good. Okay, so as you can see that, so this is the cable. The build quality of the cable is also good, so I don't want to unwrap this cable from this. Okay, so and another thing is, previously I use Sony's this hard disk. This is the Sony HDP1 model. So okay friends, this is my previous hard disk. This is also from Sony, and this is the now the Sony the new model. So okay, so if you love the compact, the ultra slim model, then you can also, I suggest you to buy this, because this is a very lightweight. So okay, so this, when I purchased this hard disk, this most probably in 5,000 rupees, and now this model price is 4,999, so minimum 1,000 less. But the build quality of the previous Sony hard disks, I think this is the better. As you can see, this is the width of the previous Sony's hard disk is very much better, because this is very lightweight. So okay, so if you are like to love the slim model, then I suggest you to buy this. Okay, so I give the both of this description link, both of the hard disk description link in my video description. So okay, both of this hard disk purchase link in my video description. You can purchase this from Amazon, then I suggest you to buy from Amazon because you find a good deal on Amazon. So okay friends, so this is the unbox of Sony external 1 TB compact slim model, and the model number is HTSL1. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends, and if you face any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below.